Hi guys! So, I touched Dad's camera and I know he'll get angry. Palitin na lang kong camera. Karang balat tuhon. Camera dagdag kwarta. B, quiet! So this is the problem of having a toddler while making a vlog.
No, stop
See?
looking! Stop
He wants
looking!
to be a star too.
Stop!
Who are we getting now?
We're getting Daddy.
I usually wake up at 1:25, 1:30, so I have this, as you can see, alarm clock, but this little pumpkin wake me up just to drink his chocolate milk.
You have a toaster.
Oh, we have a snowstorm? So, in the news, there's a snowstorm. So, I'm gonna prepare early because I need to couscous the car. Like that. So, I'm going outside. Oh, it's raining. Ta-da! See? Need to turn on the car because we don't have a remote start. Sad to say. Buhay Canada pa. You see that? So thick. So baga. Sige pa. So if you're not an early person, malate ka like Daddy. So my little pumpkin is crying because he's not in the video. Wants to be in the video too. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna finish this one and stop the video, okay?
Let's go, baby!
So where is that?
Let's go! Just fish.
There you go. Jaden is ready. Wear your boots. Wear your boots. Okay. So, I'm proud of myself. Kaya nagpala ko. Grabe ka singot. Jaden, come here na. Come here na. Faster. Careful. Oh. Careful. Careful lang ga. Okay. Okay. Careful lang. Oh. That one, then, pasulod naman. So, diri me go work. Bazi, baby. This way. So, mato ko sa likod nga parking yan. Kaya arte akong bana. So, naanami sa mong tagpuan. Charot. So, that door, yung gamay nga door, diha magawa si Chiboy. So, morning advantage, nasundo siya kay di na siya magkuskus yung saknya ng direksyon nung dito sa kay. But, mag-switch meal niya. Kaya di siya musalig. Mo-drive ko pa uli. Pero, nasi salig sa kuha mo drive pa dulong. Di ba? Normal lang. 2 p.m. na. Tinggawas na. Tura na ang tambok. Tinggawas na. Tinggawas na ang tambok. Kung mag-backline ka, dili pa dulong na kay lukot nila. Master. Patay. Pakita niya ang camera. Wala, nag-suggest na siya nga mag-switch me. Oo. Okay. Hi, tambok. Hi, Daddy!
Hi, Daddy!
Magkuskus pa din sila. Kuskus. Sayay kayo. Lakaw na siya dito. Doon na lang siya mo drive. Okay.
Kuskus balungos.
Bye, Benol. See you tonight. So, guys, mao to siya akong vlog. vlog na daily routine every afternoon, getting daddy from work. And so guys, see you on my next video.
Di ko ka na lagi mag-English. Gubaon ako imong imong
So guys, kita-kit sa second vlog na ko, okay? Hala dahil for the whole video na ko si English. Delete ko niya apil.